Hey everyone! In today's video I'm going to show you how you can fork someone's repository, in our case the template created for homework, then create your own repository from that template, make contributions, apply your changes, and upload it to your account. Let's open the GitHub, let's open the repository in which one we want to contribute and which one we want to fork. Then in top right corner you will see the fork button, click on it, name your own repository. I will name it test2. Then create. Once it's forked and once it's created, you will see on the top right corner the green button. Click on it and we will see the HTTPS link. Copy it. Now open your terminal. Navigate to the directory where you want to save and place this project. Once you navigate, write the command git clone and then the copied link. Press enter and that's done. Now we created the project in our local machine. Now let's open this project in VS Code. And now we can contribute and do our changes or homework. For example, let's open the index.html file and I will write anything to make some changes. For example, some long text. When I make some changes, I want to save it in my repository. Write the command git add dot, which will add all the files and folders. Then commit your changes, and then push it to your own repository. And that's done. Now we're gonna open our repository in our account, and we see the changes have been done. Thank you for your attention. Do your homework, contribute to open source projects, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. See ya. Bye.